In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jeopardy game using Google Slides. This is a fantastic tool for educators, event organizers, or anyone looking to add a bit of educational fun to their presentations. And the best part, it's entirely free and you likely already have access to Google Slides through a Google account. So, let's dive in and cover each step to get your game up and running smoothly. First, we'll begin by opening Google Slides. If you're unfamiliar with Google Slides, it's an online tool similar to Microsoft PowerPoint, allowing you to create slide presentations and access them from anywhere with an internet connection. Once you've opened Google Slides, you'll want to start with a blank presentation. Now, create a slide that will act as your main game board. This slide effectively serves as your starting point where all the categories and point values will be displayed, just like what you've seen on TV in a classic game of Jeopardy. Next, you'll need to design your initial slide. This is where you'll input the categories across the top of the slide, evenly spaced out, and include point values beneath each category for contestants to choose from. A common setup might include categories with point values ranging from 100 to 500. Colors, fonts, and design elements should be consistent and clear for an easy understanding of your game setup. After you've set up your main game board, you will need links that will take players to the specific question slides. Each point value should link to an individual slide. To create these links, simply click on a text box containing a point value, right-click it, and select Link. You'll be prompted to choose a slide in your presentation to link to. This is an intuitive process, as you're essentially building where players will go when they select a specific question from the board. Once all your links are set, you'll need to create the question and answer slides for each point value in the game board. On these slides, include the question specific to the category and point value, and make sure to design these slides in a way that makes the question the focal point for ease of reading. It's often helpful to have a consistent design so the game visually flows well. In our final setup step, ensure that each of your question slides includes a button or link back to the main board. This allows players to return after answering a question to select another point value. These navigation tools ensure a smooth and well-structured gameplay experience. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've crafted an engaging, educational Jeopardy game entirely within Google Slides. This setup offers a wonderful opportunity to incorporate interactive learning in a classroom setting or even a fun family game night.